Hello guys, how you doing? You should have received a package like this one. So I suggest you cut it right here on this sticker. It should open like this. So on the inside yours will be packed a little better. The camera will be in something like this. On the outside of this there is a small piece of silver wire, a special formula I developed. I'd like you to try it out and you let me know what you think of it. If you like it, there will be more available in the future. You will find plastic zip ties. You will find this piece. This is for dado laser welders or welder that doesn't have an objective lens sticking down the ceiling inside the welding chamber. So there will be a separate tutorial on this one. And the camera itself. So if your laser, as most laser, has an objective sticking down the ceiling inside the welding chamber, this is already in the right setup. Next, you put the zip tie in here. Okay, so next step, once your camera is like this, is to put this around your objective lens. Okay, now the camera, it's attached to the objective lens inside the welding chamber, and I've already connected to the computer and launched the software. I'm not going to talk about the softwares in this video. There will be separate tutorials for Mac users or Windows users. In this video I'm only going to show you how to set up the camera and to operate it. What you need now, ideally it's an adjustable height table and a coin. If you don't have one of these, just get something the perfect height so that you can focus it under the microscope. I suggest some kind of spacer, maybe a couple bolts or something about this height, and then maybe post it at the end. So imagine you don't have an adjustable height table, you could use like a box and then use post-it so that you can find the perfect height so that it's in focus under there. Yeah, about the box the camera shipped with and a stack of post-its are about the right height, and you can play with this height now. Anyway, I'm gonna put the table under the microscope, and then I'm going to focus the coin. You can kind of see the blurry coin there out of focus. I'm going to focus it looking through here. So very easy, very quick. Done. Only thing left to do is to focus and frame the camera a little bit. You can see this is the coin, so you need to move the camera a little bit up and to adjust the focus. So I'm going to screw the objective out. You will receive your camera with the objective screwed all the way in. In this position it will be able to focus very, very far away. You want to screw it out to decrease the focus distance. So that's what I'm doing here, inside here. Okay, I'm turning the objective clockwise. I'm also gonna hit record now, and from this video I will switch to what I'm recording here. So you will see basically what the camera is recording now. The audio is still from the other camera. You can see the focus is very sharp now. I can focus on the top part of the coin. or the bottom part of the coin. My microscope, so the laser microscope, it's focused right on the shield, on in the middle of the cross, if you can see, so right there. Okay, this is the perfect distance. Let's see the frame like this. Perfect. Now I can arm the laser and shoot and see if I'm on target. And that's perfect. That looks perfect to me. So now you can remove the table. I'm just looking through the microscope now. Let's turn power. See 80% power for millisecond, 0.6 millimeter diameter. Yeah. That works.